Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here with a quick, hopefully quick, project share, and it's going to be a combination of Stampin' Up and non-Stampin' Up, mostly non-Stampin' Up products. What I used for Stampin' Up is the cards and envelopes, the larger ones again, from the Heart and Home Memories and More cards and envelopes, which are retiring June 30th. They're actually, I think, on sale right now, if they're not already gone. No, I don't think they're gone because I actually have another one in my cart. I really like the larger ones there. On one of the cards, I used some of these stars, which are also retiring June 30th. They're Resin star embellishments, and they're on page 69 and 87 of the January to June mini. I'm using this embossing folder from Darice called Stars, and that's what it is. It's not a 3D. I only used it, I think, on one or two cards. I'm using a sentiment out of Celebrate Sunflowers. What I did is I masked the U, and on several cards I used Let's Celebrate. And then I found one of the two paper pads. I thought I had two together, but anyway, I have this paper pad called Americana, which I apparently got it Tuesday morning in 2017. It says April 2017. May have been around that time. So I've had it in my stash for a while, and it's just got all kinds of red, white, and blue, as well as some kind of craft stuff. So and some wood grain. I didn't use the Tanzimra, and some music, which is the Star Spangled Banner. So, and then also some stickers. Mostly I used two of this sheet and another sheet out of this pack. I used a few of these Sticko Stars, which I think I got at Walmart some time ago. And this looks like it came from Target a while back. I have not been to Target for a while. I have to go there though and look for some other things, so I don't even know if they have $1 stuff anymore in the we used to call it the, what did we used to call it, the bargain bins or something? I don't know. I think I used one or two stickers off of these Stickos as well, which I'm guessing I got at Walmart also. And I got these out to use, but I don't think I used any, and I know I didn't use any of those. So I have all these together. I think this is kind of the extent of my patriotic stuff. Oh, except for these washies. I did not use this one. I didn't want to open it. That was a clearance item, I think at Target also, or no, maybe Walmart a while back, because that looked like a Walmart clearance sticker. I did use this one. I'm not terribly happy with it. That was a Dollar Tree, and then these, I don't know where I got, possibly Walmart, or not Walmart, Target also, I'm thinking. I don't know for sure. Alright, so let me show you what I made. I made cards, obviously, and I'll just do one by one. So the cards, let me get one of the cards. Envelopes. The cards are like 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 this way, and then these are the envelopes. They're like a paler blue, but with the stripe inside. Let me see something on both sides. So actually, if I wanted to make more with that pattern, I could just cut apart an envelope, but I use the envelopes. And then the insides are, thumbprints are white. So I only made, I think, 5. This is the first one. Oh, I did use real red cardstock on many of them, not all as a backing like that. So on this one, I cut this paper that has the fireworks going up. Sorry about my AC, hang on. Close the door a little bit, hopefully that'll mute the sound a little of the air conditioner. I backed it on the real red, and I used some stickers, the United States of America, Liberty, and 4th of July. Here's where I stamped Let's Celebrate without the U. And how I did that, I just put a piece of washi tape over the U. I could not find, I didn't look real hard, but through every stamp set, but I need to do an index or something that shows me which stamp sets have the words celebrate or whatever, or thank you, or that kind of thing. Anyway, this is 3 rows of this washi wrapped around this top layer only, and then this is bumped up on dimensionals, and then here's the Stampin' Up Stars. I thought it came out cute, and inside I did put some more real red with some actually old Whisper White I had, and 3 of the star stickers off the same sheet. And on the envelope, I think on most of them I put a little US flag, and then the fronts are all a little different. This just has a single star on it sticker. So that's one. And then the second one, I used a leftover, the other part of that piece, because when you cut the 6-inch square down to 4, you get this strip left. I had a strip of this real red also, and I put Winkostella all over it. I wrapped this plaid washi over it, and then I put a sticker on, a little bit larger sticker, 4th of July, and then under that, let's celebrate. I did use the banner Pick-a-Punch, which I think is still valid. I'm not sure. And then this sticker was out of one of the other packs. Not the same pack. It was out of this Sticko pack. Like here, it was right here. And inside, I didn't do anything on that one, but again, the flag. And on this one, it says red, white, and blue. So, I don't usually make a lot of these kind of cards, because I don't know, do people send cards out at 4th of July? I just thought I'd do something different this year and send a few of them out. This is the one I'm not crazy about. I shouldn't have used this washi because it has too many other colors in it. I think that would be better for birthday or some other kind of party event, but not for red, white, and blue. But anyway, I had another strip of red. This is another piece of designer paper out of that paper pad, and that was by Pebbles Americana, so it's old. Let's see, 2 stickers, Stars and Stripes, Land of the Free, no, yes, no, oh, I can't read that now. Anyway, I think it says Land of the Free. I'm not positive. Looks like it says Love. Oh, Land That I Love. Excuse me. Land That I Love, which is true. And then 3 stickers that they're out of the same pack as these, and a star out of that same one that the rocket was in. And nothing on the inside. The card has a flag and 3 stars again. So they're all a little different, but they're cute. And then I went to this red, white, and blue floral. This came about because I had a strip of red, real red cardstock. I used that plaid washi again. And then this is a fairly new punch. Actually, it's brand new punch. And I believe it's in the new annual. It's called the Decorative Circle Punch 159174. I punched it out of white, but it needed something, so I punched it out of real red, and I just sort of offset it. And then I stamped a Let's Celebrate in Night of Navy and put a Liberty sticker and a star sticker on. Just want to see, did I tell you this one's stamped in real red? So is this one. This one doesn't have any stamping. So they're all a little different. And then this one I have red, white, and blue sticker on the inside as well. And lastly, this paper has different, like American, Salute, the Land of, the Free, Home of, and I think it says the Free again, 13 Stripes, This Is My Country, Salute, Ose, Ken, and then the next one is You See, and then there's different state names right above all these. So I like that. I put it on the real red again, and here's the stripe card. Another little scrap of red. This is one of the larger stickers out of the Sticko pack, and then the stars were out of this Sticko pack here. And again, the Let's Celebrate just below that, and nothing on the inside. And I thought they'd be nice to just send to some relatives. You know what you could also do? I thought of after I was making, or as I was making these, is you could make invitations if you're having a get-together, and use the paper for something like that as an invitation, and also use the Let's Celebrate. So look through your stamps and see what will work for sentiments, and you can always mask off part that you don't want. I have a lot of congratulations, but I couldn't find, even in my word dies, I couldn't find celebrate. I found congratulations, but no, I could have just, I also could have masked off both parts and just had celebrate, but I decided to put let's celebrate, and then I'll write a note in it. So I think a cousin or two, and a close friend, and my brother, and maybe my daughter will each get a card this year, and they'll be shocked because I don't even get them out sometimes for birthdays. So yeah, that's my project share. I hope you enjoyed, and I think I probably won't be back on now till Monday because I'm getting ready to go to an event here today, the graduation party for my granddaughter. All right guys, take care. Hugs, love, and peace.